To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Swipe up to scroll down and locate the What You See section. Then, navigate to Content Preferences. At the bottom, you will find the new update called Reset Suggested Content. If you don't see it, ensure your Instagram app is updated. Now, tap on it to proceed. Review what will happen after resetting it, then tap Next to proceed. Before resetting, you can review all the accounts you follow, see which ones appear most in your feed, and select topics you want to see less of. Then tap Reset Suggested Content. In the confirmation window, tap Reset Suggested Content again to finalize the process. You will then see a confirmation message stating that your suggested content has been reset. After resetting, Instagram will start recommending posts and accounts based on your updated interactions and preferences. So that's how you can reset suggested content on Instagram.